Hello everybody, this is Dedra from Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have a small Tuesday morning haul, and then I received my subscription box from Echo Park, my monthly subscription box. I was out, I had to go to the doctor, and so Tuesday morning, it was just a checkup, but Tuesday morning is across the road, and I thought, well, I'll bop in, even though they really haven't had much. The last time I was there, they had a few new things, but I verified with the lady checking me out today that they're really not getting new craft supplies. And most everything that I saw paper-wise has been there for a very long time. I'd say some of those papers have been there since before the shutdown the first time. So maybe even as long as a year, some of these paper packs have been hanging around. And they haven't discounted them anymore. They're still in the same section. But let me show you what I did find. So this is fringe. I don't know if you can even see that that's fringe from Tim Holtz. And I'm pretty sure it's cut tissue. I'm pretty sure it can be colored. Some dyes or some sprays or something. But I want to use it on the front of a mini album. So we'll see how that goes, a chipboard mini album. I found two more of these shakers. They might have been there before and I just missed them. I don't really know. But now there's no, you won't miss anything if you go right now to the one near me, because there's just so many blank spots and they've kind of spread everything out. But the last ones I had ballerinas, and then there were snow globes. So these are just really cute. I like those. And I think that those are going to go for me on the front of some fancy gift card holders. So that's what I'm planning. All right, so this is a Hampton Arts stamp set. It did not come with a die, but it is a very cute stamp set, and it is called Happy Halloween. That's it. But I love that Happy Halloween. I love that owl. Just really cute. Try not to get too much of glare here, but you know how it goes. This is another, and this one's just called Haunted. I already put the paper in the garbage because it was creating a nice glare. But look at this, best haunted house in town, and the crows, and are the ravens? Probably ravens. Open if you dare. That would be. And then it didn't come with a die, but it did come with a stencil. So we'll see what that ends up looking like. I purchased a couple of different tissue papers because I really like these scalloped ones. I like to wrap orders in them, and I haven't had any of the scalloped ones in a while, which are super cute. This huge jumbo called Pom-Pom Maker. I know you can probably hear the storm outside, and hopefully my power won't cut out, but we've just been really getting pummeled. So when I was coming back into town, the road was covered in water, so that's never good. Anyway, I think this is cute. And I have a friend that currently has my other pom-pom makers at her house, so she might want to borrow that one too. Okay, this is a Chamele chipboard collection, and this one's only $2.99, and look at all these pieces. So cute. And I think if you saw, I purchased some flipbook photo albums from Simple Stories, and I think one of them is going to be just a real girly one, and this will be cute for that. And then I purchased this Halloween Echo Park one, and this is called the Trick or Treat collection. And I think I may still have a few pieces of this collection from last year, but just really, it's kind of an old-timey, it's really cute. So there's that. All right, so the Echo Park collection, this go-around is a Disney one. And I have some Disney things because I've used them to make mini albums that I've sold. I don't make them for myself, so I probably didn't need a whole collection to go with the stuff I have. If I'd realized what it was sooner, I probably would have canceled it. But it is a super cute collection, I will say that. But I'm really in love with their florals and things like that. But look at, I mean, this big smiles. And some of this you can use for anything. Those sunglasses with the hearts, really cute. And the fireworks and the corn dog. I mean, it's a really cute collection, but I won't use it for personal stuff is what I mean. Okay, and they've got all of these little die cut pieces as usual. Oh, the corn dog again, that is cute. Now they have changed up the way they do these. When I first received them, which was about a year ago now, when I started subscribing to this photo op, some of this can be used for anything. This spells out smile. There's a S-M-I-L-E. They used to have a 6x6 pad, and then they used to have the little flat back gemstones that are adhesives, and they no longer do that. Now they come with brads or something else each month, and puffy stickers. I'm just not a real fan of using puffy stickers on anything. I never do. So I would prefer to have the 6x6 paper. This washi could be used for anything. Again, washi, I don't use washi on cards because I just think it doesn't stay very well. Here are the brads, and they are super cute. And look at the faceted ones, are really shiny and cute. And then these are chipboard down here. And then here's the puffy stickers. And the chipboard pieces. And there's the E from Smile. And they have, look at the teacup ride and the bumper cars. I mean, it is super cute. It really is. And it'll make a couple more cute albums, probably 3 or 4 out of this collection. So let me show you the paper. They're double-sided. Here's all the food carts. Really cute. Fireworks on one side and the cut-apart sheets on the other. And I do love these for mini albums where you can kind of document what happened that day. There's a pattern and then balloons on the other side. Again, that could be for any birthday. Some stars, some tickets, polka dots, banners, another pattern, and then on the back side, Mickey's gloved hand, some clouds, stars, big polka dots. There's the castle. There's this yellow pattern. Again, so much of this could be used for anything. More cut apart sheets. Here's a light blue and white stripe, diagonal stripe, and then some speech bubbles. Stars. Oh, that's cute. The pretzels, the sunglasses, the cameras. It's really cute. More polka dots and more cut apart sheets. And then you always receive a sticker sheet with their collection. But, you know, this will be later on down the road. This collection right here will be for $5.99. Hopefully at Tuesday morning. If Tuesday morning lasts past all of this, I just don't know. They're shutting down so many of them. But this would be $5.99 down the road. And right now, if you were to get this collection, I think it's like $14.99 for this portion here. And so I received the rest of this, and it was $29.99, and that included shipping. I mean, it's not a bad deal. It's just that there's parts of this I probably won't use. So I will check out. I mean, you may love it. You may totally disagree with me that you'd rather have a 6x6 pad. But I will say I do enjoy getting different things when I have subscriptions and trying things that I wouldn't normally try. But I probably will check out next month. And if it's not something I really, really love, I probably am done with the Echo Park subscription box. But let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.